we are going to be making stress relievers. So you need an empty bottle.
Empty bottle.
Empty bottle. Tell grown up to cut it in half.
Cut it in half.
And you need water, balloons, any color balloons you want. I chose yellow balloons because I feel like emojis are cool. Cornstarch, scissors, and a marker to draw a face on. So now, since I showed you all the ingredients, now we are going to make a stress reliever. Okay. So we need a balloon, and you need the top half of the water bottle or anything you have, and you can ask an adult to help you put this in. That was a fail. Let me try again. I might ask an adult if I can't do it. I need to do this. Oh, why is it so hard? So, since this is too hard to put in, I have to do it with some magic. So, okay, there we go. Now, we need to turn it around. So now we are going to make the mixture. We need 5 scoops of cornstarch. And this is the 5th one. Okay. So we need 6. Oops. This probably counts out probably 2 right now. And then 3. Okay. Now we need to mix it. Okay, this is starting to get hard. It looks like liquid over here, but it's actually hard when you press it. So that's good, because that's how we want it to be in the stress ball. But you can add another spoon of water if there's like too much of this. And I think there's too much of this, so I'm probably gonna add 1 more of water over this side, maybe 2, because it's like a lot. Okay, it's starting to get much better. This is actually kind of nice. I'm gonna put 2 more of water so it can be like not that hard. And let me show you something. Look, when I scoop it up, it's like hard to get out, and then when it's like this, it's liquid. And I don't know what makes that happen, but it's something going on with the water and the cornstarch, I think. So now we don't need the spoon anymore. So just put it in there. And now you need to put this in here. But don't put much at one time, because then it's gonna get stuck. So do like a little bit at a time. Once you think it's filled up, now you can take it off. So mine's already filled up, so I'm gonna take this off. Otherwise it's so hard to take this off. Okay, so I just took it off, and since there's some right here, I'm gonna do my fingers like this, and then just run it down. And I'm gonna do the knot with magic. Okay, so now since I did it with magic, now we are going to cut this part off because we're gonna do something with it later. I think we need to. Oh, this is confusing. Let me go over here and see if I get this. This is too hard. I need my magical powers to work. Next, we are going to have to take another balloon and then trim right here. So I need to cut this you might need an adult to help you, and I think I might need an adult to help me as well because this is kind of hard. So we need to take the part that you cut off, and you need to, you know where this is at? You're gonna have to cover it with this balloon, and it's kind of hard, so you might need help. Okay, I got a piece on it. Okay, I did it. Now you take a Sharpie or whatever you want. If you use an Expo, it's probably gonna wipe off real quick. So I'm using a Sharpie, and you can draw whatever face you want. So I'm gonna draw a face I want here. I really like this emoji. It's probably kind of my emoji that I love real much. So let me put it on. I don't think this is how it is, but I don't think I can do the thing. My other ones are pretty good, but I can't really do the face that good on here. So, yay, I got a little heart emoji. Yay. Look at this. It's stretchy. You can literally stretch it like this. It's kind of fun, actually. Wow. You probably can. If this gets run over by a car, I don't think it'll pop because it's kind of hard. Did you hear that? Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Like and subscribe. Yes, that's my favorite one. Ooh.